Hey everyone, what's up? Happy Thursday, and here with my weekly video that I like to make and share one of my favorite recipes. So I have a lot of favorites, so I'm always sharing kind of things that are fast that you can prepare and that will satisfy any palate. Your kids, your hubby, if he's not a picky eater, or even if he is a picky eater, they'll like this. So I'm going to get to it because I have to take off. And I figured I'm going to make this really quick so that you can see it doesn't take long. It's just a few simple ingredients. So the first thing that you need is kale. So I like to just buy the pre-cut kale mix. So I get this organic kale salad, and I probably put about 4 cups in this large bowl. And so you put about 4 cups of that, or this one actually has 6 cups. And then I squeeze the orange from, or squeeze the juice from an orange. So here's a whole, the juice from a whole orange. And then I use about half a cup of olive oil. So this is organic olive oil. And put that in there. Probably half a cup might be a little bit too much, so I'm going to go with about 1/4. And I don't measure a lot of things. I kind of just eyeball things, but for doing this video, I probably should give you all an idea. So then I kind of mix that up. And then some of my other favorites is I put some chia seeds, and I get a lot of this stuff at Trader's. It's all available at the health food store. So put about 1/4 or even an 1/8 of a cup is good. Go ahead and mix it in there. And then some almonds, so you can use raw, preferably raw instead of roasted. So I will do about half a cup also, so that's pretty easy. So here I'm measuring everything. I'm telling you, Trader Joe's needs to pay me for this because I use a lot of their stuff. And then I will put some cranberries. So these are some unsweetened cranberries. So mix that in there. And then I add some coconut chips, and they're not flavored, so gives it a little bit of a sweetness, but without the added sugar. So put all that in there, and you can take this to a party. You can serve it at home. You can serve it to your kids. Kind of mix it up, and because I love salt, and I see a lot of patients with like adrenal fatigue or hypothyroidism, I like to use sea salt, and so I do use salt to just kind of to give it a little bit more flavor and also just get some minerals. So I like to use the grinder, and there you go. It's pretty easy. So this salad is awesome. We had a little gathering at the office last weekend, and everybody loved it. So there you go. It's pretty easy, right? See? Doesn't that look pretty? So there you go. What does it have? It's got kale mix. It has extra virgin olive oil. It's got the juice of an orange, chia seeds, almonds, cranberries, and coconut chips. Pretty easy. So there you go. This is going to be for my dinner tonight, along with probably a piece of salmon. So enjoy, and until next time, I hope that you're enjoying some of these recipes. Send me a message. What do you want to learn about? What food do you want to learn to cook that's easy? Something that's for kids. I have kids too, so something that's quick if you're on the road. So until next time, thanks for joining me, and see you later.